Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be this glam Christmas fun festive makeup. I have went for the traditional sort of gold brown vibes, and I just really wanted to play about with the Everything You Need nudes palette. So I've been playing about with this today, and this is the look that I have created. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, all the usual jazz guys. You guys have been amazing, and I know I have been so off the radar, but I had a baby and this is me trying to get back into the swing of things. So yeah, but if you guys do like this and you do enjoy my content, then please make sure you do like, subscribe, comment, all the usual jazz. You guys will see more from me. So if you do like this Christmas look, then please stay tuned. Today we are going to do like this bronzy glam eye look. This is going to be like a Christmas look, and it is going to be like full out, full glam. I will try my best to link all the stuff in the description. This product that I'm going to use is the Revolution Conceal and Hydrate concealer. Just putting a little bit of this down just so that I have a bit of a tacky base to work with. The palette that I'm going with is the Everything You Need Beautybay palette, and it is the nudes palette. It has 42 shades and they are all absolutely stunning. First shade that we're going to go in with is this shade right here called Earth, and it's just a very neutral brown. I'm just going to work that from the corner in. I'm going for like a spotlight eye, as you guys can kind of tell. So I'm just working this into the crease. I'm not doing it particularly nicely. I will go back and blend, just sort of laying down some colour at the moment. Then I'm going in with the shade Nutmeg, which is this shade here. With this shade I'm still kind of focusing on the outer crease, but I'm just slowly kind of dragging it into the middle, just to get that kind of blend. I'm just going back in with that shade Earth again, just darkening up the outer. Then I'm just going to go in with the shade Raw Sienna, I think it's called. I'm just using that one like a fluffier brush. I'm just going over the edges and just kind of blending everything out. Now I'm just going to focus on like the centre bit, and again I'm just going to take this Revolution concealer, literally just using the tiniest little bit off like the stick, not a lot at all, and I'm just going to put this in the centre. Now everybody does this differently, like I'm actually pretty rubbish at this, to be fair. But this just gives it like, the foily glittery shades and like the pigments and stuff something to kind of sit on. Now I'm just going to go in with the foil shade called Success, which is this one right here. I'm just going to dab that on using my finger. On top of that I'm just going to go in with this Peaches and Cream pigment. This is called Famous. Then I'm just going to go back into the shade Earth, and I'm just going to sort of diffuse the edges a little bit. Right, now I'm going to take this tape off. I'm going to add some lashes. Just going to jump in with the Ardell Studio Effects Demi Wispies. eyelashes on. So I'm just going to basically jump onto the face makeup. I'm not changing too much other than I'm using a sponge, to be fair. I'm just going to put on this this Pore Blurring Primer by Revolution. I'm just going to use this Primark sponge. Just going to have a wee bit of this. The foundations that I used was the Revolution Matte Base, which I absolutely love, in shade F1, and I've mixed the Rimmel Match Perfection foundation in with that too. Just going to go in with my Conceal and Hydrate concealer, and I'm just going to put that under the eyes, here and here, just for a little bit more coverage. I'm also just going to go in with a darker concealer, which is really too dark, to be fair, but I just wanted to use it to sort of cream contour. It's just the Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer in shade C14. This is super dark. But I thought it would be good for contouring. And since we are going full beat today, we may as well cream contour too. I'm just going to use a sponge for this. Just going to go in with the Revolution Pro. This is the powder foundation in shade F1. Now this is super light. I'm just going to put this under my eyes. I'm just going to use this to like bake. Really liking this powder so far. It is a bit bright, like you can pure see it. I'm going to go in with the Colourpop No Filter Sheer Pressed Powder in the shade Fair. And I'm just going to dust this all over my face. I'm going to go in with my All Faithful, which is the Freedom Bronzer Wheel in Warm Lights. Just going to use this bronzer shade here. Just going to bronze everything right up. I'm now just going to go in with this Essence Matte Touch Blush in shade Bronze Me Up, but it actually looks pretty... Is it Bronze Me Up or is it Ba? I don't know. It says 70 Bronze Me Up, but then it also says Ba. So, but it looks like that. I'm just going to go back to the eyes in a little minute. In fact, where is my Rachel Lady palette? Because she has a very nice It's a kind of shimmery blush. So I'm now just going in to the Rachel Leary palette, and I'm going in with the shade Sunkissed, which looks like this. A little touch. Also just going to go in with her bronzer, which is called Caramel Slice. So quickly I'm just going to move back to the eyes, so I'm just going to zoom you guys in a little bit. I'm just going to go in with the shade Hot Cocoa, which is a kind of warm brown. It just looks like this. I'm just going to put that on the bottom of my lash line. So I'm basically just running that right along. So it's something like that. Just going to go in with a little bit of mascara on my bottom lashes. And I'm also just going to go in with the Revolution Renaissance liner, but I'm not going to do like a crazy wing or anything. I'm just really not good at them. I'm like a little bit out of practice. Colourpop gel eyeliner in the shade Show Me. This is just like a bronzy colour, but it's really nice. So it's something like that. So for the lip, I am just going to go in with my Old Faithful. Wait till I zoom these out a little bit. I'm going to go in with this number 7 lipstick in shade In the Buff. That one is super light. With my MAC Jamie Genevieve. And that is this look done. I hope you guys enjoyed this. It was just a little bit of a sort of quick glam. I absolutely love this look, especially for like Christmas or New Year time. This is my bronzy gold Christmas look. Hope you guys love it. If you do, please do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, all the usual jazz. You guys know the script. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Guys, I forgot to add highlight. Sorry, back again. The Revolution Ultra Pro Glow. I'm just going to go in with this shade here. Sorry guys, that is me now officially finished. I did actually forget to add highlighter.